Aneuretus simoni, the Sri Lankan relict ant, is the only living species of its kind in the world, having survived from the ages of dinosaurs.
It's wonderful that it has been living here for a long time so far, as the other members of this kind, if not the cousins of this kind, are only found as fossils in the world.
I should say that this species was first discovered by E.O. Wilson, one of the biologists, an American biologist, who had studied about ant species in Sri Lanka. And when he found this species first, it had been found closer to the natural pool in Formicidae.
This rainforest patch called Formicidae, as it has a long history since many centuries. So this species is evolutionary species found in this forest. This forest patch, considered as a rainforest, situated in Ratnapura, and the one and only habitat is this forest to this Aneuretus simoni. This species has been living here for a long time so far. It's a matter of wonder. It's wonderful that it has been living here so far. By the mid of 1990, the forest was especially considered by the environmentalists, especially the biodiversity of the forest. Sri Lankan relict ant is not only the specific species found in this forest. There are many kinds of many species of birds, amphibians, reptiles, making this forest as their habitat. Before 3 decades ago, the forest layer was full of perennial plants like Strabilanthus. But the current status of this forest, we cannot see any ground layers here. All Strabilanthus layer has been vanished as pollutants are released from the upper parts of this forest. That's because some of the human activities and the projects going on in this locality. You know, this ant species is critically endangered. After the modernization of this pool into a concrete system, this ant species is vehemently affected by its survival. Temperature, air, humidity, the conditions were badly changed. Now we can't see these species in the localities where they have been for a long time, because the habitat of this ant species is unique and specific. It lives in dismantled areas, woods and leaves. So the rodents are the base of its survival. So this forest patch, this urban park is very important. Special declarations were made at different times. In 1993, in 2008, special declarations were made in relation to the conservation of this forest. Why we have to make special declarations? The reason is, after E.O. Wilson had found the species closer to the pool, then by the passage of time, after about 3 decades, the ant was not reported from the location that E.O. Wilson had found. The species is a unique feature. I remember the University of California once researched about this ant, and then I'm an eyewitness to this species, observing for a long time. It's really a surprise, this ant survival here in this forest. And according to the Flora and Fauna Ordinance, a special declaration was in relation to the conservation, as I know that no projects can be taken place, can be implemented without a deep environmental impact assessment. So, a matter of tragedy, I don't think that the relevant authorities have been paying their attention on this specific ant species or on this forest patch for the sake of conservation. During last 2 decades, the forest has been damaged in all the ways, and the authorities have been informed at different times about the importance of this forest, about the importance of this ant species and totally the biodiversity. But no one is here, and it's a matter of tragedy, because this forest patch is a unique featured locality, as this Aneuretus simoni is found in this forest, having survived since a long time. Definitely that this forest is at the 11th hour of conservation.